Climate change is the defining crisis of our time. Rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and more frequent extreme weather events are stark reminders of the challenges we face. But amidst these daunting signs, there's a beacon of hope: technology. While technology has contributed to environmental degradation in the past, it is now emerging as one of our most powerful tools to combat climate change. In this video, we'll explore how innovations across various sectors are paving the way toward a more sustainable future. At the forefront of the fight against climate change is the renewable energy revolution. Advances in solar and wind technology have made clean energy more efficient and cost-effective than ever before. Solar panels are now thinner, more flexible, and can even be printed using perovskite solar cells, which promise higher efficiency at a lower cost. Wind energy isn't just confined to land-based turbines. Offshore and floating wind farms are harnessing stronger and more consistent winds over the oceans. Geothermal energy taps into the Earth's natural heat, providing a constant and reliable power source. Innovations like solar power satellites, which collect solar energy in space and transmit it back to Earth, could redefine how we access clean energy on a global scale. Renewable energy sources like solar and wind are intermittent. They don't produce energy all the time. This is where energy storage solutions come into play. Advances in lithium-ion batteries have led to massive battery farms, like Tesla's Megapack installations, which store excess energy for use when production is low. Beyond lithium-ion, new technologies like flow batteries offer scalable and long-duration storage options. Hydrogen storage is another promising field. Surplus renewable energy can be used to produce hydrogen through electrolysis, which can then be stored and used as a clean fuel source. These storage solutions are crucial for stabilizing the grid and ensuring a steady supply of renewable energy. Reducing emissions isn't enough. We also need to remove existing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Carbon capture, utilization, and storage technologies are designed to do just that. Direct air capture facilities use chemical processes to extract CO2 directly from the air. This captured carbon can then be stored underground in geological formations, effectively sequestering it for centuries, or utilized to create products like synthetic fuels, plastics, or even building materials. Companies like Climeworks and Carbon Engineering are pioneering these technologies, turning CO2 from a pollutant into a valuable resource. Energy efficiency isn't just about how we produce energy, but also how we distribute and consume it. Smart grids leverage advanced sensors, automation, and AI to optimize the delivery of electricity. They can balance supply and demand in real time, reducing energy waste and lowering costs. Internet of Things, IoT devices in homes and businesses, can adjust energy usage based on grid demands, such as running appliances during off-peak hours. Virtual power plants aggregate distributed energy resources, like rooftop solar panels and home batteries, to function as a unified and flexible power source. This intelligent management of energy resources is crucial for integrating renewables into our existing infrastructure. The transportation sector is a major contributor to global greenhouse gas emissions. Electric vehicles, EVs, are transforming this landscape by offering a cleaner alternative to fossil fuel-powered cars. With advancements in battery technology, EVs now boast longer ranges and shorter charging times. Companies like Tesla, Nissan, and newer entrants like Rivian are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Public transportation is also going electric, with buses and trains reducing urban emissions. Micromobility solutions like e-bikes and scooters offer sustainable options for short-distance travel. In aviation, electric and hybrid aircraft are in development, promising to reduce the significant carbon footprint of air travel. Agriculture accounts for a significant portion of global emissions, but technology is making farming more sustainable. Precision agriculture uses GPS, sensors, and drones to monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and apply fertilizers only where needed. reducing waste and environmental impact. Vertical farming allows crops to be grown in controlled indoor environments, using less land and water while eliminating the need for pesticides. Innovations in lab-grown meat and plant-based alternatives are reducing the reliance on livestock farming, which is a major source of methane emissions. By leveraging data and biotechnology, we're creating a more efficient and eco-friendly food system. Understanding and predicting climate patterns are essential for mitigation and adaptation efforts. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are analyzing vast amounts of climate data to model future scenarios with unprecedented accuracy. Satellites equipped with advanced sensors monitor environmental changes, from deforestation to ice melt. IoT sensors on the ground collect real-time data on everything from air quality to soil moisture. AI-powered early warning systems can predict extreme weather events, allowing communities to prepare and reduce potential damage. This data-driven approach is crucial for informed decision-making at all levels. Nature itself offers some of the most effective solutions to climate change. Reforestation and afforestation efforts are being supercharged with technology. Drone companies like Biocarbon Engineering are automating tree planting, capable of planting thousands of trees per day in areas difficult for humans to reach. Satellite monitoring helps track forest health and deforestation in real time, enabling quicker responses to illegal logging and forest fires. These nature-based solutions not only sequester carbon, but also restore ecosystems and biodiversity. Buildings account for a significant share of energy consumption and emissions. Green building technologies are revolutionizing construction and architecture. New materials like carbon-negative concrete absorb CO2 during their life cycle. 3D printing in construction reduces material waste and allows for innovative designs that maximize energy efficiency. Smart building systems use sensors and automation to optimize heating, cooling, and lighting, significantly reducing energy use. Architectural innovations like green roofs, passive solar design, and advanced insulation materials are creating structures that are both comfortable and environmentally friendly. Moving away from the traditional take, make, dispose model, the circular economy aims to design out waste and keep products and materials in use. Technology plays a crucial role here. AI-driven sorting systems in recycling facilities increase efficiency and reduce contamination. Innovations in materials science have led to bio-based plastics and biodegradable alternatives, reducing reliance on fossil fuels. Apps and platforms promoting the sharing economy, like car sharing and peer-to-peer rental services, reduce the need for new product manufacturing. By closing the loop, we're reducing waste and conserving resources. Geoengineering proposes large-scale interventions in Earth's natural systems to counteract climate change. Techniques like solar radiation management aim to reflect a portion of sunlight back into space by injecting aerosols into the stratosphere. Ocean fertilization involves adding nutrients to the ocean to stimulate phytoplankton growth, which absorbs CO2. While these methods could potentially reduce global temperatures, they come with significant risks and ethical considerations. The potential for unintended consequences is high, and governance over such interventions is a complex issue. It's a controversial area that underscores the urgency of finding sustainable solutions. As we explore these ambitious and risky strategies, the need for cautious deliberation and robust international cooperation becomes ever more apparent. The future of our planet could depend on making the right choices today. Technology isn't just for scientists and engineers. It's empowering individuals to make a difference. Citizen science projects allow the public to contribute to environmental monitoring, using apps to report on local wildlife, pollution levels, or weather patterns. Platforms like iNaturalist and AirVisual crowdsource data that can be used for research and policy making. Community initiatives like local renewable energy cooperatives enable neighborhoods to generate and share clean energy. By involving the public, we not only gather valuable data, but also foster a culture of environmental stewardship. Despite these technological advances, significant challenges remain. High costs and lack of funding can hinder the development and deployment of new technologies. Infrastructure limitations, especially in developing countries, make it difficult to implement solutions like smart grids or widespread EV adoption. Political resistance and lack of supportive policies can slow progress. Additionally, some technologies require rare materials, raising concerns about sustainability and ethical sourcing. Overcoming these barriers requires international cooperation, policy reform, and sustained investment. The horizon is filled with promising technologies that could further transform our fight against climate change. Nuclear fusion, long considered the holy grail of energy, is making strides toward becoming a viable energy source, offering virtually limitless clean power. Advances in materials, science may lead to even more efficient solar cells and batteries. International collaborations like the Paris Agreement show a growing global commitment to addressing climate change. With continued innovation, investment, and cooperation, we can build a sustainable future. Technology is a powerful tool in our arsenal against climate change, but it's not a silver bullet. It requires the collective effort of governments, industries, communities, and individuals. By supporting sustainable technologies, advocating for environmental policies, and making conscious choices in our daily lives, each of us can contribute to this global mission. The fight against climate change is challenging, but with innovation and determination, a sustainable future is within our reach. Let's work together to make it a reality.